mong dương có bằng khơi này vì khang gần đó này gì cái cặp bông tài chẳng bật
แต่มีการใจพลิกอัดเตะโอ้ก็พิวริฟายแต่ไปเตะดำโอ้โน้พลิกมวยเคลียร์มาไหมนั่งไอ้ยา
พี่ดาวิน
จบก็ข้างชิวเลยดิเมกข้อง่ายเหมือนเดิมนะตะกัวบ่พลิกมาซ้ำมาต่างห้ามจากเราได้ซาชิลมาก้อง
อ้ย
บ่ไม่ใช่มีการกลัวมาเว้นไว้ดิคเนอร์ทรีโยใบตองดาวเจนมาหาย
อ๋อมาปีฟันเกยอมันมาช่างยังกันเลยมันไม่ใช่เป็นอันบลัม
จบบ่คิวขึ้นเป็นหมอจบบ่คิวขึ้นเป็นหมอการทรีนะอ๋อเลยนะบ่
มาสเตอร์ซาซินจังปีวอร์เมนบ่พาวินก็โดยเจียวไฟสิบอลอัปลอดจังเจียมเวงหนังดิ้งอะไร
ฟาซาบ่เยอะจีมวยหนังร้าก็จะกัดคุณดาวน์แอคทีฟไว้ที่ไหมนะ
yes
บ่
สมัยจึงรถเรือนจังปีเตี่ยวดำนึงเขียนว่าไง
บ่เตี่ยวดำเลยเราบางใกล้แต่ใบยอจะมันฟาซิลมาได้แต่มาได้มาดิคเนอร์เวียงดิ้งกะไรบ่จมวยหนังพาวิน
ใหญ่เต้ยจมวยหนังดิ้งกะไรก่อนล้างเชี่ยมผลใต้มาสเตอร์ซาซินจังปีพาวินชื้อนะ
แมงกงสบู่แมงกงกับหมายเกลจับไปเอาชิปแบกนะไม่การลุ้นก็จมวยสกิลเอามาแดนปีดวันจะบ้านจะบนใบต่อที่ขโมยมันเอาจมวยสเปรย์เรทรีนะเต้
บ่บีบันมัน
เนาะมุสกาการเล่นคลาวด์ไอ้ย่อย
มาสเตอร์ซาซินมองเล่นสาว
บ่มุสกาเชียร์เราจองเมาส์นะเลยการเล่นคลาวด์เชียร์เราเห็นดาวเมาเชียงนะอย่าแอบยอดแมนเดนพาวันขนมไงนี่จังเยอะไปยังไปพี่มันไอ้แมนเดนไปบ่สนามเป็นอเมริกาโชว์ไว้จับยอดจมูกหนึ่งสี่ยาวกี่มอนเกดิกเนียฟรีรีได้เตะเปียฟันฟรีรีจังหวัดดาวอัปเดตคิวเดย์
ฮาตีมวยจ่ายมาฟลิกเกอร์บ่อะไรจุ๊บ
เดี๋ยวฟลิกจับนั่นไปยังเขียนพาสแล้วโจทย์การจันเมกราไปได้มันต้องจับเป็นการโจลุยใบตองมวยอย่างแล้วมันแดนปีชาณวันได้เคลียร์
บ่บัดบังทอตีมวยปัตตายยังยกมาหมดเคลียร์มาวันได้เค
ลียร์เมลัดปูมาว้าวจ่ามายอมเคลียร์ได้ใจในเรื่องปีชาดาวัน
โอ้ยจำแหน่งคนนั้นจำแหน่งยอดดำดองยกบานเตียงเต็งยกบานเตียงมิดเลนบ่ก็โดยจียกบานจมวยในจังก่อเกมวยเตียพงนายบังมันนี่
บ่กลุ่มท่าเชียมวยนั่งโดยในสีเลยตอนยังแต่เนี่ยจับการมาได้จับมาตอนมั้ง
บ่ฮะ
บ่ไปเพลย์
บ่โอ้
บ่เนี่ยเจ็บเลยกันบ่แอมยอดแมนแทนขณะเพดมินกาวไปสมาได้มาเป็นโดยที่นี่อย่างนั้นเราบุกปีเคียตัวหนึ่งทอมวยอัดปัญหาหนึ่งเตะ
บ่ยังรีบโดมัน
บวยหน่อยบวยหน่อย
ใบหน่อยบวยหน่อยบ่ยังไงบ่มันเชียร์ไปให้ได้ผู้สร้างไปไม่ได้ยังกับcái trái spell of ปีโดยที่นี่ก็โดยยกบ้านช่วยนะปีเคียวมาวิ่งของได้
บ่ยังจะสร้างนะตำรวจเล่งดอกบอกไก่ละก็อังก็ไปเรียบเยอะ
บ่
ก็ไอ้ยาโจ้จ้าไว้เนี่ยมาได้เด้ก็ดังท่าตราบยังแต่การดิเมนในช่องเมาจังไอ้เดี๋ยวอัดเฟอร์บ้านนะตะกัวตามเมายังไวมาสเกลมาละมอมพดอปโดตัวบินแรกนะนะบอกเกยใจอะไรบอกจิเสียบอกไว้ยังน้องแต่บอกเดี๋ยวบอกนี่น้องได้เชียร์ซีกี้ยังนะกับเมกากับเมกาที่เข้ามาตีชัวร์ต่อช่วยคิดเองใช่ไหมมาจากเอสโรยอดดำน้ำเมกาชิมอยตัวจงนั่งจะมาซีก็มาต่อไปมาต่อไปมาต่อบอลมาต่อไปมาเมียนมาจันเมก
ว้าวการเข้าว่าเคลียร์มาแล้วปีเตียดำก็โดยชีมันจะดำเนินการชนะคลามาแทนปีสวรรค์จันมกรายกมาเคลียร์ตะเลยไอ้ปริญญาระบาเกคือสิโยกี้บ่าสิยาวกี้บ่าโดยจิตทอมีการสปอนกระสันใส่บัตรตะเลยดิ้งอะไร
บ่ามีการหมายออเดอร์สกิลไอ้ยาซับเชิญไฟต์ต่อยังไม่ยังมีการสโลเคเนเตจเป็นวันนั้นบอกฮาวินแต่ก็มีการดอทอยทอกับโปรเด็กซ์ตันในขนมกระดับได้ระบอกไกลาโคอังโกบเรียผู้มวยไม่มาได้ใครมาได้เดียนก็ได้จิบฟรีตรีแต่การจันดาวัน
บ้านเอาชิทิวทอตีปีลอคลามแดนปีกรมองโกเวเรีย
ตามมวยเตะพายมากรายไว้ทวนจะก็เชื่อมันได้นำเชิงเต่ามันจะเป็นพอดมาต่างหากปีดาวิน
บ้ายังสเตอร์เดอะแมกมันติกมันมาเซนจิเมียนทำไมระบอจันมากแร้คืออันยังรอ
บ้า
เราไปดิตาไฟนัสลาระบอเหม่งกงใต้มันเอามาได้ยังก็เลยมาว่าจะเป็นโกลเล่นเราบอยังกมปงแต่พี่เยี่ยมส่งไว้ขนมกาแฟคลังมันเด่นจัดมันกระสันไซมากรอไปใต้แค่อันหนึ่งเลโกลยังมันติดสำหรับดิ้งอะไร
บ้า
cái trênกระสันไซมาได้
จมเมื่อที่บอกซีเหยาเกียก็เปะเอซีโยสินในบัดงบ่าอะไรได้ยังอย่างช่างเวียมันนี่คือเอลี่ยังเอาโจลคนใต้คลาวด์บ่อาจตีดำถัดดิงคลาวด์ตีดำถัดดิงจิมมวยนังอเล็กซานเดอร์ได้จิมมาเทียดาดิงปีนั้นนั่งกับมาโจลดอลร้าดับเบิลร้าบานดูดิเมกบ่า
น้ำมวยบ่ยังเมื่อต้จมวยนังโกดอนอาว่าไอ้นังตุกสปรายนับไปได้แต่ไม่รบกูนี่กดเอาตีตะเลจันมากรายจังนะบ่ารือกอจันดาวันบ่าแต่บนเมื่อได้คืนนี้บ่าจมวยนังฟลาโอเอซิสหรือบ้านโจตะเลอเล็กซานเดอร์
បាទណាមួយអេលីមាននិស័យចូលដល់ back line ស្រាប់ទេដោយសារតែគាត់អាចលងឃុំរបស់Marcel បានហើយ skill RT របស់គាត់ជាចាប់ជើងហើយចង់អត់ដាច់ជាមួយនឹង RT របស់ច័ន្ទមករានោះទេបាទអីច្រឡំ RC រ៉ា
បាទប្រែកយូរពេកចឹងបង
បាទ
អត់ឈប់ក្តៅមិនសិនតែ player នៅក្តៅដែរបាទឥឡូវជាមួយនឹងលទ្ធផលនៅ6នាទីនេះបន្ទុកខៀល3-0ក៏ដូចជា goal lead បានមួយខេជាងទៅលើក្រុមកម្ពុជាអង្គរ Warrior បាទដល់តទី3នឹងមានការស្ពននៅក្នុងរយៈពេល16វិនាទីបន្ថែមទៀតផងដែរបាទយ៉ា
បានការដេញលេងអត់បញ្ហាស៊ីតែ2 skill ថយទៅវិញជាប់ជាមួយនឹងចាប់ជើងតែមួយ skill ទៀតនេះខ្ញុំណាចូលថតរូបម្នាក់1000ម្នាក់ចាយយូមិនផាស៊ីវស្រួលមួយជាប់ក៏ skill ចាក់វាយម្នាក់ម្នាក់2អីលេងយ៉ាងណាបាទចាត់ទៅការមកទៀត flex ពីម៉ៃកុំមកពុះបញ្ចប់ជីវិតទៅលើដាវិនភ្លាមនឹងឡើងការជាមួយនឹងការថយចូលទៀតជាមួយនឹងស៊ីយូគីទាំង flex ទាំងតោទាំងអាទីបាត់បង់ទាំង mid lane ទៀតអត់មិនដែរថតមកនេះលេងមិនទាន់ក្រុមអង្គរវេរីនោះទេ
បាទអូយ final slash ជាប់ពីរ៉ូល្អខ្លាំងតែមិនបើសិនជាដាច់ជាមួយនឹងសយ៉ាវគីទៀតគឺល្អខ្លាំងយកតែម្ដងពីក្រុមកូរៀ
បាទទាំងស្ដាស់ដែលគេរំពឹងថាយើងត្រូវទុកមកឲ្យគេ3ថតថលបែរជាថតទី2និងថតទី3គេគ្មានវត្តមានថតថទៅវិញ
វ៉ាវ
អូ my god
មើល highlight replay ផាច់ដាច់ទៅលើដល់វិញក៏ដូចជាកន្លែងនេះសោះបណ្ដៃចុងក្រោយបើសិនជាមានដើម្បីចេញពីច័ន្ទមករាគឺនឹងដាច់ជាមួយនឹងយ៉ាវគីយកមកបាទចង់សោតយកT100
បាទការវាយតែគ្នាលេងទៅលើ Alexander skill របស់យើងកំពុង cool down ច្រើននេះគ្នាទុក flow farm ឲ្យច័ន្ទវណ្ណនៅក្នុងការ farm សិន
បាទយើងយកបាន turret 2 turret យកតែម្ដងជាមួយនឹងខាងផ្លូវ top lane ក៏ដូចជា bottom lane មកសម្រាប់ក្រុមកម្ពុជារបស់យើងជាមួយនឹងផ្លូវ mid lane យើងអាចទុកបានធម្មតាទេបាទកន្លែងមួយជាមួយនឹង item ក៏សង្ស័យក៏បានចូលទៅលើវត្តមានរបស់ Pavin ក៏ដូចជាកន្លែងនេះជាមួយនឹង Glowing One បានចូលទៅលើផាសារបស់ច័ន្ទមករាដូចគ្នា
មេកុំឃើញដល់ទៅ2តែមានអាការវាយពងសេវាយឲ្យកុំហៅទីជាការមកនេះមកអូស័យមកគេពងវាយគ្នាបាទព្រាមានការដាស់ចូលមកក្នុងផ្ទះឡំដែរពីមេកុំមានការចាប់ជើងចូលទៅគ្នាឯងតែជាមួយនឹងនេះគេដែរទៅមិនគេចូលទៅត្រីពី Alexander សំធួនមួយមើ
បាទ flicker ពី flicker បាញ់មិញនៅតែបាត់បង់ទៅលើ ding array មួយបាទពីក្រុមកម្ពុជាធ្វើបានល្អខ្លាំងតែT1នេះយកបានអត់បង
បាទ T1នេះអាចយកបានតែក្បត់របស់អាឡុតរបស់យើង is online អត់រៀនឈរទេអត់រៀនចូលនៅក្នុងក្បត់របស់មេកុំនោះទេបាទវាយស៊ីជាមួយនឹងបើគេបន្តទៀតគ្នាចាំងកន្លទៅចាំងកន្លដាច់1 level
វ៉ាវយកបាន3ផ្លូវបានហើយជាមួយនឹង T100 ពីខាងប្រទេសឥណ្ឌូនេស៊ីបាទពីក្រុមកម្ពុជារបស់យើងអង្គរវេរីឡតនឹងមានការ spawn នៅក្នុងរយៈពេល28វិនាទីទៀតក៏ដូចជាកន្លែងនេះយើងកន្លែងមកជាមួយនឹង item របស់មេងគង់មានជាមួយនឹងRoscoe កន្លះគ្រាប់ដូចគ្នាបាទចេះទីកន្លះ
សបងបលាហើយនឹង Oracle មួយបាទសំខាន់ជាងងារទៅកាន់ច័ន្ទវណ្ណមានរហូតដល់ទៅ Radiant របស់បន្ថែមជាមួយនឹង Brute Force នេះគ្នាខណៈពេលដែលជាមួយ Expert Midland របស់យើងពី item ណា Midland ទៅ Midland ខុសលុយគ្នា1000លុយវិញតែម្ដងបាទ Darwin តាមលុយរបស់ច័ន្ទមករាអត់តនោះទេបាទអត់ខ្វល់ទេ Fredrin អាលុតលេង1ជាជាយក Fredrin ទៅវាយហ្នឹងណាអត់វាយ Fredrin វាយ
Full Rose Gold
បាទ
វ៉ាវ
បាទវាយ Fredrin អាលុតទេបាទ
មេងគង់លុយច្រើនខ្លាំងមែនតែ level 11បាត់ហើយ level ស្មើអា Fan Jungler របស់គេគូនេះ
បាទមេងគង់កំពុងតែសម្លឹងយកជាមួយនឹង MVP មួយដែរក្រៃលើតាមតនជាមួយនឹង Star of the Day បាទតាមតនទៅក៏មិនតនចាក់មួយតាមស្តានវាយមកអើទីចាប់មកក្រោយជាមួយនឹងការពុកចាប់ជើងជាប់ដល់ទីមានការខោបជួយគ្នាពីទីឧត្តមចាំងធ្វើគេហាវិនអូអត់មក
បាទគេអស់ពីអាទីយើងអស់4អាតម៉េតក៏ប៉ុន្តែដូចជាមិនខាតច្រើនទេដោយសារតែមេងគង់គាត់នឹងខូដោនមកតន់ក្នុងការខំបូធីម5មួយនេះបាទតែយ៉ាគីអាចនឹងហានិភ័យបង
បាទបាញ់មកដែរស៊ីយ៉ាគីអាទីក៏ដោនយកនេះគ្នាខ្លោតនៅហ្វាឡូតមក
បាទ
នោះអូអានេះមានការហ្វាឡូតនេះគ្នាយូរក៏យ៉ាងណាក៏ដល់ពេលខ្លោតអាចមកតន់ដូចគ្នាផងដែរ
រងចាំអាតម៉េតទីដំខូដោន
បាទក្រហមមានវត្តមានរបស់ផាវិន Sexual gear ទៅកាន់ Fan មកហើយ Free Retribution ដំណងទៅកាន់ច័ន្ទវណ្ណវាយមនុស្សមុនកំដៅជ្រេច្រើននៅក្នុងការវាយមនុស្សកុំតាមចូលគ្នាជាងវាយមេដៃ2ដៃចូលផ្ទះជាមួយនឹងវត្តមានរបស់មេកុងកំបាត់ប្រហែលនេះនៅពេលមួយគ្នាមិនទៅដៃកំបាត់$5ពីមេកុងបន្តទៀតនេះគ្នា
វ៉ាវលោកខ្លាំងណាស់ពីក្រុមអង្គរវេរីតែយកបានជាមួយនឹង Lord មួយនេះមុននឹង start Lord យើងឲ្យ credit ទៅលើមេកុងមានការ final slash ជាប់ជាមួយនឹងវត្តមានរបស់គូនេះដោយលេងទៅលើអា Fan ដូចគ្នា បាត់បង់ jungle យកបានទាំង Lord យកបានទាំង2 kill នៅក្នុងដៃពីក្រុមអង្គររៀលគឺធ្វើបាល់ល្អខ្លាំងមែន
អូអត់ចាំ
បាទទៅតើ
តើក៏មិនតាន់តើក៏មិនតាន់តើក៏មិនតាន់
តើហើយតើបាទទៅទៀត
អាយ៉ាផាវិន
អូយឥឡូវជាមួយនឹងផផបាទបាញ់មិញបានទៅលើផាវិនទៀតអូមកស្កើនៅក្នុងវគ្គនេះចិត្តចេញឲ្យ team full ហើយបង
បាទ
រងចាំតែ Demon Hunter ក៏ដូចជា Malefic កាន់មួយទៀតតែប៉ុណ្ណោះ
បាទ
បាទ
វគ្គនេះមេងកងអត់មានខៀនណាប៉ុន្តែយើងមើលការឆ្កឹះគឺចេញពីមេងកងនិងច័ន្ទដាវ៉ាន់គឺច្រើនមែនទេ
យ៉ា
បាទធ្វើចាញ់មិនអត់មែនធ្វើមួយរឿងធ្វើម្នាក់5រឿង
ចិត្តចូល4ឯធីមអីបាទ Malefic កាន់ជា team ទី4របស់គាត់
បាទ
អាយ៉ាអស់ហក់មកហើយបាទ PR fan ចាំមួយជាមួយនឹង Lord ដើរនៅផ្លូវបឋម lane បាទ Lord Thread Tier 3គេនៅសល់ passive ទាំងអស់ទាំងអស់
កុំអត់ឈាមឡតអូអត់អីបាទណាមួយឡតនេះជ្រៅតិចបើឡតអត់ជ្រៅបើយើងអាចឃុំជាមួយនឹងឡតបានដូចគ្នាបាទមានការឆែក map ទៅឲ្យដល់ក្នុងទីដាំមានជាមួយនឹងឃុំចាប់ម្នាក់ពី skip ទៅមក final ស្រាប់ប្រយុទ្ធដាច់ជាមួយនឹង Alpha នៅកន្លែងកើតហើយអាយចូលទៅចាំទៅវិញបាយតាមបាត់ប្រហានីដែរទេលេងមួយគណៈពេលមានការឃុំជួយគ្នាគប់ stand គប់ ultimate អត់ត្រូវតែមានការវាយប៉មបន្តទៀត
អូយមានអារម្មណ៍ថាក្រុមកម្ពុជាអង្គរមករៀនធ្វើបានល្អខ្លាំងមែនទោះបីជាយើងមើលឃើញជាមួយនឹងការcontrol objective នៅក្នុងដើមម៉ោងធ្វើមិនទៅបានល្អតែប៉ុន្តែដូចបងឯងប្រាប់ក៏បានមិនសិនចឹងថា total ទាំង3 total ហ្នឹងយើងសឹងតែឲ្យគេបានហើយក៏ប៉ុន្តែ total ទី2និង total ទី3កម្ពុជាធ្វើបានល្អខ្លាំងយកតែម្ដងបាទអូយ
ជាមួយនឹងតារាដែលត្រូវឲ្យគេ3 total មែនឆ្កឹះទៅតែមាន2 total មកវិញបាទចំណែក lot ទី1 free ឬ3
បាទអូយមានអារម្មណ៍ថាមេងគង់កំពុងតែនិយាយត្រូវគ្នាក្នុងការ set up team fight នីមួយចេញមកពីមេងគង់ make play final slash មិនថា combo flick មិនថាអត់មាន combo flick ទេ final slash ដឹងតែមកតង់ដឹងតែដាច់មួយឬក៏ពីរ
តែគួរគិតមើលថា lot មួយនេះតើឥណ្ឌូនេស៊ីនឹងមកអត់
អត់មកហើយ
បាទសម្រាប់ខ្ញុំអត់មកល្អជាងមកព្រោះបើមកមូស្កូបើយើងទៅទៀតក៏នឹងយកបើក្រហមហើយការវាយក្រៅដីមួយនេះខ្ញុំជឿថាគេរត់ទៅទៀតអស់គេរត់ទៅទៀតអស់យកមក
បាទព្រោះដោយសារយើងលឿនមាន hero stop ជាមួយនឹងការធ្វើដំណើរចេញពីវត្តមានប្រទេសឥណ្ឌូនេស៊ីគឺ Master
បាទហើយ RT បើមូស្កូអត់បាក់គប់ទេដោយសារតែ Master នឹងឃុំមកគប់យកមកបាទ RT នឹងអូតូចំ
បាទចឹងជាមួយនឹង
មានដាច់ក្រុមក្រមួយបាទ
អត់មានណាយកទៀតគឺអត់មានកើណាបង
យកបើខំមកទេបាទយកបើខំមកទេពីផាវិនដែលបើខំនេះមិនបើខំយើងទេគឺបើខំគេហាបាទហេតុការណ៍តិចហើយជាមួយនឹងផាវិននៅក្នុងថ្ងៃនេះអូពីដៃតែមកបាយដល់ស្នាបោបាយយកទៅលើស៊ីយូគីបាទបងស៊ីយូគីទៅមុនគេឆោទៀតក៏ឆោទៀតលែងឆោឲ្យប៉ុន្តែអាទីរបស់មូស្កូឲ្យគប់ទៅក្រពេវេលាជាមួយនឹងផាវិន
អូ
គប់នោះទេ
ហើយត
បាយដល់ស្នាអូរត្រីបានហើយជាមួយនឹងការយក objective ដើរចេញ
បាទបាយមិញយើងក៏បានឃើញដែរជាមួយនឹង Ding Arai ចេញ Win of Nature ក៏ដូចជា Queen Wing ចេញពីវត្តមានរបស់ Dalvin ប៉ុន្តែមក final class បាញ់មិញនេះធ្វើឲ្យសមាជិករបស់ខាងប្រទេសឥណ្ឌូនេស៊ីអត់ហ៊ានចូលមកកន្លែងដូចទេបង
អូយមេកុងគួរបាយជាមួយនឹងមេកុងណាពេលមានការចូលជួយបោះថាយើងចាក់ដាក់ជាមួយនឹង Alpha បានហើយលងជាមួយនឹងខាងក្រោយពី Alexander តោស្បែកទៅវិញដែរទេក៏បានទីមិនចំក៏មិនបញ្ហាដូចគ្នាជាមួយនឹងការខំ
អត់ដាច់ទេអត់ដាច់ចាញ់មកក្រាទេបងបាញ់មិញនេះអូយយើងឃើញអា fan នេះបាញ់មិញreplay របស់គាត់បថោងតោងស្បែកគ្នាគាត់មកវិញ
បាទមិនមែនតោងចាច់នោះទេគឺតោងចូលនោះទេមានការវាយជួយនៅផងនៅខាងក្រោមប៉ុន្តែមេកុំមាន final slash មួយ final slash អត់ជឿជាមួយនឹងការដាក់ពីបន្តក៏មិនទាន់ចប់ដូចគ្នាមានការវាយជួយនៅផងមិនដែរទេក៏ដែរមួយបន្តដាច់ភ្លាមនៅកន្លែងក៏ដែរបោកវាយទៅលើស៊ីយ៉ាវគីតាន់មិនរួចទេសាជាមិនដែរចង់ក្រោយមានការដកទៅជើងតែគ្នាពូមួយគឺមានការថយមកវិញដូចគ្នាពីញ៉ាំចាន់បានតែនិយាយតែគ្លៀជាមួយនឹង Lenny Austin នេះគ្នាបីតែការវាយយកជាមួយនឹងផ្ទះធំដូចគ្នាមាន Minion ដែរចាំការវាយឲ្យមេកុងអើយសុំមកក្បាត់មក
ទេបាយមិញយើងក៏បានឃើញជាមួយនឹង Dalvin ណាគាត់ឈរនៅពីខាងក្រោយទេប៉ុន្តែចង្កាក់របស់ Moscow របស់ Pavin ណាគប់ធ្លុះយកហ្មង
បាទតាមបាត់រហាអូយបុងផាច់មកសាន់មកទេបាយបើដាច់បើដែរទៅឡាហ្វានវាយទេ